Demir again, and welcome to our second podcast where we'll be working on test-taking strategies. I'll run you through some quick tips that'll help you do better on your exams. I'm a learning skills tutor / intake counselor here at the Learning Co-op. We're located in Living and Learning on the second floor. The first and most important part about test taking is to come into the exam stress-free. When you're taking the exam, the first thing you want to do is try to reduce stress. So right before the exam, do something fun that will reduce your stress, whether it be talking to a friend, going to the gym quickly, or just taking a nap just to reduce some of that stress to get you ready for the exam. Next, when you arrive to the exam, make sure you look through the exam itself and look how much time you have for each question. Budget your time. Look how much time you have available to take the exam and how many multiple choice questions, essays, and so forth that you have. That way you can see how much time you can devote to each section. As you're taking the exam and looking through each question, make sure you read the question thoroughly. Underline any necessary words such as not or maybe and similar words. And also cross out any information that is not necessary to answer the question. Because a lot of the times the professors use that information just to blurry the question and make it a little bit more difficult than it needs to be. As you're looking through the multiple choice question, see if you can answer the question before even looking at the answers. Don't waste your time on questions too long because most of the time each question is worth the same amount of points. So, if you don't understand the question, mark it, put a check mark, put a question mark, and move on to the next question. So when you're done with the exam, you can go back later afterwards and then take a stab at it again to get the correct answer. Finally, just make sure once you're done the exam, don't second guess yourself. Only change the answer if there's some previous information that you remembered or there's some other information that you saw on the exam that will help you lead to the correct answers. Otherwise, just keep all the answers there as it is and hand in the exam, and hopefully you did a great job if you put enough studying time into your exam. Once again, my name is Demir, and I'm an intake counselor here at the Living and Learning Co-op located on the second floor of Living and Learning. Stop by anytime, meet me or any of the other great tutors that work here, and or just come in to gain more information regarding any other resources that we have available for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.